Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got 4 cans of tuna. We've got some egg noodles. We got some soup. This is cream of mushrooms. We got some peas. These crispy fried onions. A little pepper. Got some oat milk. We got Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? It's a simple tuna casserole. Simple. And I load mine up with lots of tuna. So get that protein. Good way to get protein. And it's a delicious way to incorporate tuna into your diet. Let's put this baby together. So while those noodles are cooking, what I like to do is just get the tuna in, and I don't care. Some people say, why are you putting it in with the tuna juice? Because the tuna juice is flavorful, and there's nothing wrong with it. So I say, let me make it my way. You make it your way, right? Like I said, I like to put 4, because I like lots of tuna. There we go. Just break them up a little. Again, we don't want to smash them all up. We want nice big chunks of tuna in this baby. Remember, this is simple. So now we're going to put the cream of mushroom soup in. 2 cans. And then to clean the can out, instead of using water, you can use any kind of milk. This is oat milk, which I don't particularly like regular milk, so I don't use it. Want to make sure there's plenty of juice in this baby. All right, let's mix this up a little. Get this nice and mixy schmixy. While we're mixing it, throw in some peas. You can use frozen peas. These are just canned peas. I got 2 cans of them. All right, this is a baby right here. Those noodles are gonna finish this off. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now the best part, cheese. A lot of cheese. All right, here's some more. This is almost 2 bags of it. These bags are 8 ounces. Remember, this is simple. Okay, mix this up. All right, nice. The only seasoning really is pepper. Some people put onions in it. I don't want it. So put some pepper in here. When those noodles are ready, we'll add those. Okay, now I'm going to add these beautiful noodles and mix them all in. All right, let's get that all mixed in. Mix the whole thing in. This is a big pile, isn't it? We'll finish it up with the rest of the cheese in here. All right, that's fresh out of the oven. You might have wanted to take them out a little earlier. They got a little darker. I'm not gonna say burnt. I'm gonna plate that up. Take a nice big bite. All right, there, it's all plated up. There's the close-up, big bite coming up. All right, fast and simple. Tuna casserole loaded with protein and flavor. Oh yeah, baby. This will keep in the fridge for a few days, several days. You know what me and the wife are gonna have for the next few days? Taste the sweet peas, kind of sweetness of that mushroom soup. I like those onions. The noodles are nice and creamy. And the tuna, good protein to start your day. A lot of protein in this. I say this is pretty good, fast, simple, and easy. Check out my recipes at Live Life 365 on my socials for more stuff like this. Until next time, tuna piece.
Live life 365.
Reminds you of Thanksgiving. We got some soy. That's not soy. What? More cheese? Yeah, I kind of agree with you. More cheese, please. More cheese, please. Yeah, they're beautiful. Can't wait. I'm hot. Look, I didn't wear a Hawaiian shirt. I want to know if anyone noticed that before I said something. But I will say, ba 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 ba.